Block your ass like that. Yo, hey! Starting the vlog without Caesar. And it's weird. It's weird because it does the opposite of what you think it's gonna do.
I mean, I guess. Yeah, show our messy house.
This is like the dancing scene. Oh! That was. I'm pretty sure that's on video. Well, now that happened, we're gonna go.
Ethan. Who's that? Who is that? Where's that?
Gonna go eat, get some sushi. Apparently, we're going to get some sushi. That's what we're doing right now. So,
Seniors.
let's take you with us. You got the door?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Where we parked? You gotta see this.
Well, finally, it's nice.
Seriously, now we're not fucking dying. Hey, Arizona. I'm telling you, I want to get out of here.
Oh yeah, definitely. Here's the palm trees and probably the Dukes of Hazzard.
Did you see the clouds? They rearranged.
I guess so. Are you happy with yourself? So, we came to get sushi, but now we're going because that baby there was being a little too fussy, so we're gonna take the show on the road and just go home and end up eating the sushi there. All right, got the stuff from Walmart, make some drinks, and it's 8 o'clock. Sweet. Where'd my sunny sky go? Well, as you can see, we clearly attacked the firecracker jalapenos, the cielo mar y tierra roll, that used to be a sashimi salad, and over here, we had a tres quesos roll, well, had a tres quesos roll. Taking out the trash at night. Jump.
thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share and like. I will be making more of these type of vlogs on this channel. Also, look up Mendoza vlogs and you'll run across them. And if you guys enjoy, please leave a comment. You can also add some hints or some tips for my channel as far as what you want me to be doing. Basically, this channel is going to be me showing you what it's like to be a young parent, or at least my version of what it is to be a young parent. So stay tuned. We're going to be taking you through our journey. We'll see the little one grow up in front of you, and we'll see where this takes us. Bye.